Welcome to our mega beverage factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how cola soft drinks are made, from purified water and syrup to
tools. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every batch of cola syrup maintains perfect consistency. Precise computer controls monitor the blend. The temperature is critical.
I've compensated the flow rate. We are back in optimal range.
Every batch is blended with precision to achieve the perfect taste and carbonation.
Every bottle is tested before leaving the factory.
And that's how cola soft drinks are made. From purified ingredients to refreshing beverages enjoyed by millions every day.